Ah, a message from our boss. Okay, it says, "Welcome to the club, intern. Hope you're ready for this. We just started the discovery process over here, but I managed to grab a logo and saved it as 001magnificentlogo.png in your Dropbox in the steps folder. Can you get that put up and maybe pick some nicer colors for that header? That blue makes me feel like we're working on a site for Smurfs." Okay, on buildamodule.com, on the page for this series, there's a link to a resource pack. This includes all of the files that we're going to use in this series. Go ahead and download that and expand it. When you get it, it should have two folders in it, one for chapter snapshots and one for steps. If we expand the steps folder, the file that Max is talking about is this 001magnificentlogo.png. So typically as a site builder, we're not going to do much about the look and feel of a site, but it can be nice to add a couple of quick changes to add some brand identity. So a logo and a couple of colors for the header can make a big difference. And also if we're working with multiple sites, it can help us identify which site that we're working on. So let's take care of the logo first. We can get to it by clicking on Appearance, and then the settings for Bartik. If we scroll down, there's a logo image settings here, and I'm going to uncheck the use a default logo supplied by the theme. We'll upload our own logo and save configuration. Now if we go back to the site, we have our logo. Now let's change the background colors for the header to make it a little less Smurf-like. So we'll go back to Appearance, back to the settings for Bartik, and I'm going to leave this top color, but I'm going to change the bottom one to a gray. So kind of a darker gray right here. You can also use the color wheel to select this color. I'm going to click Save Configuration and go back. All right, this looks better.